Is this Switzerland? No. Is this Canada? No. Is this New Zealand? No. This is Khaptar, Nepal's best kept secret. I've dreamt about this place for the last 13 years and I've been here for the last 2 hours, and today I'm going to tell you everything about this wonderland. K. Kind. There are many different kinds of people here. They belong to different ethnic groups. They speak different dialects and languages. They eat different food, yet there's one thing which is common to each one of them. They're extremely kind, extremely helpful and extremely friendly. Ever since I've come here, I've felt that everything that we need is coming to us by magic. People share with us not just their stories, not just their spaces, also their food and their love. It's truly, truly wonderful to be here. H. It is happy. I recently went to a restaurant. The food, the music, the atmosphere, all of them put together there made me feel really, really happy. And Khaptar has exactly the same effect on me. Without the food, without the music, without the atmosphere. Because Khaptar has some sort of magic in the air. Magic that makes me feel grateful for just being alive. The beautiful landscape and deafening silence here makes me more quiet as well, as though I don't want to say anything at all for fear of disturbing nature's beautiful song. A. Adventure. While I came to this place by helicopter, I do know of a lot of people who aspire to come here on foot someday. Yes, hiking is an option for people who are not faint-hearted. Hiking is an option of people who would love to spend 10 days or so here in the wilderness exploring this place in its entirety. P. Paradise. I had heard that Khaptar is unbelievably beautiful. I didn't know if it would live up to my expectations or not. But not only has it exceeded my expectations, it also makes me believe that a place that can be so magical in the winter even without the snow must be truly, truly a piece of heaven throughout the year. The rivers are frozen, we see little pieces of ice and snow everywhere, and the trees are still welcoming us with their beautiful sounds. Tasty. Khaptar is tasty. But how? Not much grows here that we eat. It's tasty because of two reasons. Number one, everything feels yummy here after you walk through miles and miles of wilderness. You actually work up an appetite after being so tired. And number two, you start appreciating the smaller things. Everything that's actually eaten here has actually been brought by helicopter. And you start understanding the value of the smallest things, of the salt, of the sugar. And you just feel so much more grateful for all the food that you're getting to eat. A. Abundant. Khaptar is abundant. There are so many varieties of flora and fauna. There are over 500 species of birds and animals native to this place. There are many kinds of flowering plants, and laliguras or rhododendron, the national flower of Nepal, also grows here in abundance certain times of the year. While we haven't seen much because we've come in the winter, everything seems to be dry, it still looks rich. The rich blue azure color of the sky, the prickly thorns and bushes, even they have a certain beauty to them, a certain sense of joy, a certain sense of richness. Truly, Khaptar is magical, Khaptar is blessed. D. Divine. Khaptar is divine. You can feel the energy here. When you're here, you feel like something stronger than you is protecting you and taking care of you. Here, I feel so connected. There are many sacred sites here, such as the Khaptar Daha, the Triveni, the Saharsling and the Baba Kuti. But for me, truly, it's about the energy, it's about that feeling. It's about the realization that God truly exists everywhere, in every blade of grass and in every single atom of the air. After coming to Khaptar, I start believing what Shah Rukh Khan said in a movie, just so much more. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. I may not have said that dialogue right, but basically it means that when you want something with your entire heart, the entire world and universe conspires to give it to you. And Khaptar is that. It is an answer to a prayer. And I believe that in my life, I must have asked for paradise. That's why life got me to Khaptar. Khaptar is a national park in the far western part of Nepal. Situated in Province 7, it has an average elevation of 3,000 meters. It has been described as a museum of natural history having rich biodiversity. But it's most renowned for its beautiful rolling hills, its wonderful weather and its serene environment. To me, however, it means a lot more. तमन सबैलाई खप्तरमी स्वागत छ।